Best action cameras for surfing capture stable, waterproof, high-resolution footage, ensuring durability, immersive angles, and unforgettable wave-riding memories. My today's video is about top 5 best action cameras for surfing that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Akeso EK7000 Pro 4K 30 FPS action camera. The Akeso EK7000 Pro stands out as a solid upgrade in the budget action camera category, delivering impressive 4K per 30 frames per second video and sharp 20MP photos that capture vibrant detail in every frame. Its 2-inch IPS touchscreen is responsive and user-friendly, making navigation, playback, and mode switching seamless even for beginners. The built-in electronic image stabilization, EIS, performs reliably, smoothing out motion and ensuring steady footage during fast-paced activities like surfing or cycling. Durability is another strong point, with a waterproof case supporting dives up to 131 feet, ideal for water sports enthusiasts who need dependable underwater performance. Battery life is equally commendable. The inclusion of two 1,350 mAh batteries provides extended recording time, reducing interruptions during long sessions. Overall, the EK7000 Pro offers a well-balanced mix of performance, usability, and affordability, making it a great choice for adventurers seeking quality footage without a premium price tag. Now our second product is Akeso EK7000 20MP Wi-Fi action camera. The Akeso EK7000 remains a popular choice for entry-level action camera users, offering solid 4K per 30 frames per second and 2.7K per 30 frames per second video alongside crisp 20MP photos. Footage quality is impressive for its price range, delivering vibrant colors and decent clarity, especially in well-lit conditions. The built-in electronic image stabilization, EIS, does a commendable job of smoothing out motion, making it suitable for activities like cycling, hiking, or casual surfing. Its rugged build, paired with a waterproof case rated up to 131 feet, makes it reliable for underwater adventures and extreme environments. The included accessories further enhance versatility, allowing easy mounting for different activities. A standout feature is the 2.4G wrist remote, which adds convenience for capturing moments hands-free, though it's worth noting the remote isn't waterproof. Wi-Fi connectivity via the Akeso Go app makes sharing and editing quick and simple. Overall, it's a feature-packed, budget-friendly camera ideal for beginners. Our third product is Seasusai 4K underwater camera. This 4K waterproof camera is a versatile choice for adventure lovers who want durability without sacrificing image quality. With a 33-foot waterproof and dust-proof design, it's well-suited for snorkeling, pool use, and beach trips, and its floating capability makes retrieval easy. An underrated but practical feature, image performance is a highlight, offering sharp 4K video and impressive 64MP photos with vibrant colors and fine detail. The autofocus macro shooting is responsive, while the 16x digital zoom adds flexibility for capturing distant subjects, though clarity slightly drops at maximum zoom. The dual-screen setup, 2.8-inch rear plus 1.4 front, enhances usability, especially for selfies and vlogging, and features like face detection and webcam mode add extra value. Battery life is reliable, delivering around 100 minutes of 4K recording, and the included 32GB card is a nice bonus. Overall, it's a feature-rich, user-friendly camera ideal for casual underwater and outdoor shooting. Now number 4, Spinop UHD 8K underwater camera. This rugged 8K waterproof camera pushes beyond typical budget options, offering ultra-high 7680 by 4320 resolution and 70MP photos that deliver exceptional detail and clarity. While true 8K performance depends on lighting and sensor quality, it still provides noticeably sharper results than standard 4K cameras, making it appealing for travel vloggers and outdoor enthusiasts. Built for adventure, its fully sealed, double-lock design ensures reliable waterproofing up to 33 feet, along with dust-proof and shock-resistant durability. It's a dependable companion for snorkeling, hiking, or beach use. The autofocus system performs well, even in challenging lighting, and the 18x digital zoom adds flexibility, though image softness can appear at higher zoom levels. Wi-Fi connectivity simplifies sharing, and the dual screen design is excellent for selfies and vlogging. A standout feature is the large 2,500 mAh battery, offering up to 5 hours of use, plus an SOS emergency function for added safety. Overall, it's a feature-packed, adventure-ready camera with strong battery life and modern capabilities. And our last choice is the iFacial 4K underwater camera. This 4K underwater camera strikes a strong balance between performance, durability, and portability, making it ideal for casual adventurers. Its 4K video and 64MP photo capability deliver sharp, vibrant results, especially in well-lit outdoor or shallow underwater conditions. The CMOS sensor ensures decent clarity, though low-light performance is average. With an IP68 rating and 16-foot waterproof depth, it's perfect for snorkeling, pool use, and light water activities. The floatable design is a smart addition, preventing accidental loss in water. Its rugged build also handles minor drops and bumps with ease. Autofocus works reliably for quick shots, and the IPS display remains visible even under bright sunlight. The compact size makes it highly portable, though the 650 mAh battery offers around 70 minutes of recording, adequate but not exceptional. Extra features like 16x zoom, face detection, and shooting modes enhance versatility. Overall, it's a user-friendly, budget-friendly option for everyday underwater and outdoor photography. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.